Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by getting power and connectivity right. First, charge the case and AirPods to over 50% so pairing won't drop mid-process. Next, make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated and Bluetooth is on. This avoids compatibility holds. Once done, open the case lid next to the device and wait for the Connect prompt to appear. Tap it. You're initiating a secure Bluetooth handshake, which makes automatic future reconnections fast and reliable. You should now configure how the AirPods behave for daily use. Open Settings and tap Bluetooth to rename the AirPods and check firmware so features run smoothly. Then choose press and hold or squeeze gestures under Accessibility to control noise modes and playback. This determines what your physical actions do. Also enable spatial audio and tune active noise cancellation or transparency from Control Center so sound matches your environment. These steps finish by testing real tasks. Make a quick call, play music, and check the mic quality so you confirm performance. Make sure the ear tips seal comfortably. Fit impacts noise cancellation and bass. Enable Find My and adjust automatic ear detection to save battery and prevent accidental playback. If something goes wrong, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes, then repair. This clears stalls and resolves most connectivity glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.